What is hyperbole? Master the art of exaggeration in English. Have you ever felt so hungry you could eat a horse? Or been so exhausted you thought you'd sleep for a century? These are not literal truths, but they evoke powerful imagery. This is the magic of hyperbole, a linguistic tool that adds intensity, humor, or drama to your words, making them unforgettable. Hyperbole is a figure of speech characterized by extreme exaggeration. It is not intended to be taken literally but is used to emphasize a point or create a memorable effect. For instance, saying "I've told you a million times" doesn't mean you've actually repeated something a million times, it underscores frustration or impatience. Hyperbole enhances communication by evoking strong emotional responses and painting vivid pictures in the listener's or reader's mind. In literature, hyperbole has been a staple for centuries. Shakespeare, for example, used hyperbole masterfully to convey passion and depth. In Romeo and Juliet, Romeo declares, "With love's light wings did I o'erperch these walls," exaggerating the lengths he would go for Juliet. Modern authors and poets also use hyperbole to heighten emotional impact, create humor, or underline important themes. Hyperbole is not confined to literature. In everyday conversations, it's a common way to add color and express intensity. Statements like "this bag weighs a ton" or "I'm drowning in work" are instantly relatable because they amplify reality to make the speaker's feelings clear. Advertising and marketing frequently use hyperbole to grab attention. Think of slogans like "the best coffee in the universe." Understanding and using hyperbole can significantly enhance your English language skills. It enables you to be more expressive and persuasive, especially in storytelling or creative writing. However, it's essential to use hyperbole wisely. Overusing it can make your speech or writing seem less credible. Reserve hyperbole for moments when you want to make a strong impact, and ensure your audience understands that exaggeration is at play. To practice, start by identifying hyperboles in the media you consume, from movies to books and even advertisements. Then, try incorporating them into your conversations or writing. For example, describe your day using at least one hyperbole. Did you wait forever for the bus, or was your to-do list a mile long? What's the most creative or humorous hyperbole you've ever heard or used? Share your examples and thoughts in the comments below.